You know what it was about?
It's just that.
Is yours are kind of late. Comes out here.
It started at 1:30, so we got there a little after.
Hello! Hello, Connie!
Hello! Oh, look at Connie's shirt. It's like this.
Ooh.
Even that, but you're probably figuring out that.
Hey, you didn't cover up my parfum guy.
Do you want some? Is that what you're...
Hi, family.
Oh, we gotta take our hands off. There you go.
What do you got, Al?
Wow. Oh, there's a...
I thought this was the backpack.
That little thing.
Let me see you. Little cute. Wavy. Wacky waving inflatable tube baby. Family. What you doing?
Coloring these.
With a little thing she can touch. Don't let it in the shed. Let me see. Her name is...
There's another guy who's like a crusher.
I think you got...
Oh yeah, you squeeze it off.
Yeah, really. Make sure you got it.
Yeah, that's all. Okay.
What are these supposed to be? Well, you guys are in for a fun treat.
Ellie, come with me. Let's check it out. Go that way? There we go. Whoa, whoa. You left me up there. Going up, Ellie? Oh. I'm gonna get you. I'm coming with you. Find myself in another one of these. Here, Ellie, go stand next to Peppa. All right, Ellie, look at me. Say cheese. All right. Let's do this thing. Good to see you.
You too. Are you ready? We're ready. Glorious purpose.
What do you think, Elle? I'm excited. Well, the lights in your glasses make it look cool. And 2 hours of Peppa Pig music might have put you over the top. All right, let's walk. Ellie likes the song. What are you doing up there, Ellie? Have you a kitty cat?
Left at the car and asking for all the photons on the walk here. So your gifts were.
Wait, bye-bye, Emily.